This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Ford Ranger. This truck has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 4.0-liter V6. Its top features include commercial-free satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, 12-volt power outlets, a passenger side airbag, performance tires, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, a trailer hitch receiver, and this vehicle has less than 18,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned Certification, a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.